Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the tub-to-pump hose in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Remove the two rear access panel clips. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws so you can detach the access panels. Use a short flathead screwdriver to help detach the spring clips securing the washer's top panel and lid. Pull the top panel forward, then lift up. Using a 5/16" socket or nut driver, unthread the screw to release the support bar from the front panel. Next, unthread the screws securing the front panel to the side panels. Lift the front panel up and out. Use pliers to release the spring clamps securing the hose to the tub and drain pump. Pull the old hose free. Be prepared for some water to spill. Prepare the new tub-to-pump hose for installation by aligning the provided screw clamps on the ends of the hose. Attach one end to the tub and the other end to the drain pump. Tighten the screws to secure the clamps. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the slots in the panel on the side panel mounting clips. Thread the screws to secure. Reposition the support bar and thread the screw. Realign the top panel and lid on the washer and push the panel straight back. Be aware the lid switch wire connector on the panel needs to be fully connected with the receptacle on the frame. Reinsert the two spring clips to secure the panel. Reposition the rear access panels and rethread the screws. Reinsert the access panel clips. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.